First, prepare a document to be printed. The example is a Microsoft Word file. Press Ctrl and P to open the printing interface. Click Printer Properties in the printer. Go to the Page Job. Tick the box at Job Storage EMPS icon. Select Private Print on the list. To enter the password, you need to untick the Prompt Password. Enter a combination of 4-digit or more in the Specify Password box. After that, click OK. Finally, click Print. The document will be sent and stored in the printer. To print the document with a password, press Job box on the home screen. After choose the private print or store job, press Open. Choose your computer username, then press Open. Tick the box in front of the document you want to print, then press Print. Enter the previously set digital password and press OK. Enter the number of copies to be printed. Finally, click Start Print.